Hello, we present Stellar en Español, the learning epicenter in Spanish for building complete decentralized applications, dApps, on the robust Stellar network. While the official Stellar documentation is exhaustive and has automatic translation for a couple of languages, the wealth of practical resources, tutorials, and examples is scattered, predominantly in English, and often fragmented. This represents a significant barrier for the vast Spanish-speaking community. Beyond the basic documentation, the scarcity of consistent and detailed resources in Spanish to master Soroban hinders the adoption and development of innovative projects in the Spanish language. In Latin America, Spanish is the mother tongue of over 400 million people, representing a significant 7.9% of the internet users globally. Ignoring this audience, missing out on enormous growth potential for the Stellar ecosystem. Considering a recent 40% decrease in blockchain developer activity, it's crucial to simplify access to knowledge and reduce friction for new talent to enter. Stellar en Español presents itself as the key solution to address this challenge. Okay guys, let's check it out the place Stellar en Español. As you can see, Stellar en Español is meticulously designed by programmers for programmers. Our comprehensive platform offers a clear and practical learning path, covering everything from the fundamentals to advanced introductions. Introduction to Stellar. Detailed guides to understand the network and configure the development environment. Soroban exploration. We break down the essential concepts of Soroban smart contracts in an accessible way. We provide a couple of Soroban smart contract examples. Functional and ready to deploy code, facilitating experimentation and practical learning. Also, we provide a couple of dApps ready to deploy in the Stellar network. As you can see, we have a basic example here, and we explain step by step what you have to do in order to understand how to interact with Web3 and the smart contracts made in Soroban. Okay guys, let's go deeper with one example here in our place. As you can see, you have all the explanation step by step what you have to do in order to implement a decentralized application with our place. Obviously, as you can expect, we provide the GitHub with all the code and the explanation about what you have to do in order to install and run the application. Let's check the example. Here is how to check your balance in Stellar. First, in the tutorial we explain how to make the connection button. As you can see, you have many options to do the connection. We already installed the Frechner wallet. Let's put the password, connect, and you can see here the funds that you have in this account. In this example, we explain how to connect your wallet and how to use the Horizons API in order to get your balance. We have another example here, and in this example is a little bit more complex and explain how to interact with one contract. First, we connect to the wallet This is the message that we already have in our contract. We are going to here to write some messages. We are going to sign the transaction and interact with the contract and put the new message. As you can appreciate, we cover with Stellar in Español every aspect that you need in order to make the contract and also the web application. This visionary project is being led by Platoedro, a foundation rooted in the vibrant technological community of Medellin, Colombia. For years, Platoedro has been a driver of innovation and collaboration within the blockchain and Web3 ecosystem, acting as a bridge between developers, artists, and entrepreneurs. Its track record includes organizing multiple high-impact hackathons in the local community, such as NIM Open House, global launch of VPN of NIM, satellite venue for the latest Ethereum Colombia hackathon. We have Solana Open House. Also we have an Avalanche hackathon here. We were the first place in the world, I'm totally sure about that we made Fuel Network hackathon when Fuel Network were in the beta state. Also, Platoedro is an active participant in Nons Amigos. Nons Amigos is a global community of collaboration on NFT enthusiasts. Platoedro's experience and commitment guarantee the quality and impact of Stellar en Español. The development and curation of Stellar en Español content are in charge of a team of professionals with deep experience in blockchain technology and Web3 development. Alexander Correa, CEO of Platoedro and coordinator of artistic and technological initiatives since 2021. Alexander has led global communities of blockchain creators, acting as a trainer and mentor in areas such as NFT, DeFi, staking, and Layer 2. His ability to guide projects and his understanding of the ecosystem ensure a strategic roadmap and solid technical support. Juan Jaramillo Silva, with over 4 years of experience in technology, Juan brings his expertise as a Linux system administrator, front-end developer, and smart contract programmer in Rust. His knowledge in operating blockchain nodes and his collaboration on token and NFT initiatives make him an invaluable asset for creating technical and practical content. Sergio Martinez, software developer with a decade of experience in SAP development and since 2017 specialized in crypto projects. Sergio founded a cryptocurrency ATM management platform, has advised on tokenization projects and designed blockchain business strategies. His vision for Web3 applications is fundamental for the creation of demos and relevant use cases. The request funding will be strategically allocated for completion and expansion of site content, creation of advanced guides, detailed API documentation, and more complex use case examples. Launch of online workshops and video tutorials, facilitating interactive and dynamic learning, reaching a wider audience. Continuous maintenance and update, ensuring the website is up to date with the latest advances in Stellar and Sorowan and creating new material regularly. Join us in this crucial mission to break down the language barrier and empower the next generation of dApp developers on Stellar throughout Latin America. Visit stellarenespañol.info. Deploy your first smart contract with our step-by-step guides and share your progress with our growing community. With your support, we can make Stellar en Español the definitive resource blockchain innovation in our language, Español. Together, we will drive the next wave of decentralized applications on Stellar. Join us, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.